Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of the Target app, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So whether you want to switch accounts or you just want to log out, guys, it's quick and easy. So first things first, guys, of course, what you want to do is you want to open up the Target app on your phone, and once it's launched, you want to make sure you're in the home screen or the main page of the app. Next, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. This will bring you to your account settings and personal details. And then, guys, of course, what you're going to do, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see an option that says sign out. Okay, then just tap on sign out, and a confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you want to sign out. Okay, so what you want to go ahead and do is you want to confirm your choice, and you will be logged out of the Target app. Okay, and that's it, guys. You have successfully signed out, and if you need to sign back in, guys, just open up the app and enter your credentials again. So I hope this video was helpful, guys, and if it was, guys, don't forget to smash that like button as well as subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next video.